In this video, we are going to learn how to create a login form in a Tkinter. First, I'm going to import Tkinter as TK. Then we will have our GUI. That will be tk.tk. We get the TK object, and then TK. We are going to set the label. This is TK label, and pass in our GUI, and then our text for the username, and then we are going to stick this label by using grid, and that will be row 0 and sticky tk.w, so it stick to the left side. And now I will create a label, tk.label for, and pass in GUI, and for password. And grid row equals to 1, and then sticky equals to tk.w, and tk.entry, and then pass in our GUI. And this will be an input box for username, and then a grid, so we can take a input from a user, and row is equal to 0, column equals to 1, sticky tk.e. The same for the password. We need a input box where we can input users password. GUI.grid, and row 1 and column 1, and then sticky to tk.e, so it comes on the right side. And now I'm going to add a button to our form, the login button, and that will be tk button, also in our GUI, and the text on our button, text login button, or just a login will be fine. And then set his position, row 2, column 1, and then I may add it to center, and default one is the center one. So now I'm going to start our loop. It will be GUI dot main loop, GUI dot main loop, and now need to just save our script and see if it works by running it. And now I just need to type Python 3 and then the name of our script, that is login.py, and just hit enter and wait for our GUI to come on. Here's our GUI, this nice looking login form, this username, the password, and those entry fields, and the login button. So this way we can create a simple login form using Tkinter. in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.